Amy, they're taking a look at a couple of different types of systems. Behind us, you can see one of them, and it looks a lot like something you'd see maybe at a Dodger game or a concert. Folks walk through, and any type of concealed weapon would hopefully signal the folks who are monitoring. And take a look. You can kind of see how this works here. Now, this is one of the systems they're testing, and they tell me that this week they will be using it here. Yesterday was day one, and they did pick up a box cutter using this system. Let's give you a closer look now at the demonstration that they provided a little bit earlier today. This is something that the Metro Board has been talking about putting into effect for a while. They are expected now to assess the technology through December and to consider whether to expand the use of this across other parts of the transit system. Their hope is to have an efficient and non-invasive screening method which wouldn't hold up passengers. This comes, of course, after a number of high-profile violent attacks within the system. And here's more of what we heard a little earlier this morning.
We're really looking at the impact on our passengers and our stations, and also, how do we make sure that whatever we're bringing in augments what we're already doing on the system. So when we're talking about this particular pilot, the idea being is layering in a process and a protocol that makes sense for our system, but also ensuring that we're doing it in a way that is bias-free, is non-invasive, and it doesn't impact a passenger or concerns when it comes to bringing on your personal property.
Now, the system being used here would randomly check folks. It would kind of every so often say, hey, here's somebody we're going to check, and that person would come through the system. Lots of questions here about how this would be used, the costs. This is just the beginning. It's a pilot program, and I can tell you that Supervisor Janice Hahn, who has pushed for this, was here a little earlier checking it out in person, so expect to hear much more in the days to come.
All right, Cora, thanks so much.